Hello, everyone. Welcome to Quizzer English. Are you ready for a fun story today? This story is short, has simple sentences, repeated everyday words, and includes direct speech for speaking practice. Let's learn some new words and listen carefully. Our story today is called The Lost Puppy. One sunny morning, Emma walked to the park. She heard a soft sound. Woof, woof. Emma looked around. She saw a small puppy under a bench. The puppy looked scared and hungry. Emma said, "Hello, little puppy. Are you lost?" The puppy wagged its tail. Emma gave the puppy some water from her bottle. She looked at the puppy's collar. It had a name tag, Buddy. Emma called the phone number on the tag. Soon, a man ran to the park. He shouted,
"Buddy, there you are!"
The puppy ran to the man and jumped happily. The man said,
"Thank you so much."
Emma smiled and said, "I'm glad Buddy is safe." From that day, Emma and Buddy became good friends. Helping others makes the world a happier place. What a happy ending! The lost puppy was found and we learned a great moral lesson. Key vocabulary: puppy, a baby dog. Bench, a long seat in the park. Collar, the strap around a dog's neck. Tag, a small label with information. Safe, not in danger. Great job listening, everyone. Now it's quiz time. Question: Who found the puppy? Emma found the puppy. The man found the puppy. The puppy was never lost. The right answer is Emma found the puppy. Question: Where was the puppy hiding? The puppy was under a tree. The puppy was behind a bush. The puppy was under a bench. The right answer is the puppy was under a bench. Question: What was the puppy's name? Max, Buddy, Rocky. The right answer is Buddy. Question: How did Buddy feel when he was lost? Happy, lost and scared, angry. The right answer is lost and scared. Question: What did Emma hear that helped her find Buddy? A bark, a whimper, a meow. The right answer is a bark. Question: What is the moral of the story? Helping others makes the world a happier place. Wandering off is risky. Keep a careful eye on your pets. The right answer is helping others makes the world a happier place. Excellent work, everyone! Thank you for joining me on Quizzer English. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more fun stories and English lessons. See you next time! Bye-bye!